Good morning and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis with the dollar-yen pair and the recent events stirring the markets. Greg?
The dollar-yen pair has fallen 0.1% in the last session. The ROC has shifted sharply into the negative area. Bitcoin has gained 4.5% in the last two sessions. The ultimate oscillator is warming up and is currently overbought. The price of gold has remained as is in the last session. The highs-lows indicator is giving a positive signal. The price of crude oil has remained as is in the last session. The ROC remains in the negative zone.
Thank you for sharing with us. Now let's hear from our news department.
Oil and gas companies in North America and Europe wrote down roughly $145 billion combined in the first three quarters of 2020, the most for that 9-month period since 2010. Britain published the text of its narrow trade agreement with the European Union just 5 days before it exits one of the world's biggest trading blocs. The US dollar edged higher while sterling gained in a holiday-thinned session after Britain and the European Union struck a post-Brexit trade deal.
Thank you. Now let's hear today's most important economic events.
The U.S. durable goods orders will be released at 13:30 GMT, the Canadian building permits at 13:30 GMT, the Japanese corporate services price index at 23:30 GMT, the Japanese unemployment rate at 23:30 GMT, the Japanese retail sales at 23:50 GMT, and the Japanese construction orders at 500 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.